At GESTER, we've been leaders in plastic machinery for over 35 years. Since 1988, we've delivered solutions for the recycling and extrusion industries. With over 6,000 square meters of facilities in Elche, we offer the largest stock of used machinery in Spain: shredders, extruders, washing lines, granulators, guillotines, blade grinders, and more. We also manufacture new machinery in Spain, ensuring quality, reliability, and full adaptation to its clients' needs, from industrial scales to silos, washing lines, and knife mills. Our reach is global. We exhibit at major industry trade shows and export to Europe, Latin America, Africa, and Asia. We offer full-service solutions: dismantling, loading, transport, setup, and ongoing technical support. Can't find the machine you're looking for? We'll find it for you. Trust GESTER, your expert partner in plastic machinery. Visit us at gester.s or get in touch. We're ready to help improve your processes.